guys, and welcome to my very first shop vlog. I am gonna be kind of just showing you what a typical day looks like, although today is kind of a typical day but not for a Sunday. Today is Sunday, and usually I make Sundays very like family or relaxing or like working on house projects kind of thing. But I did that yesterday, so I kind of have to make up for that. I need to prepare myself for the week. I like to get everything set up as much as I can for the week that is like automated, like my videos going up. I like to have them all filmed, edited, and set to upload. I get as much as my social media scheduled as I can, so that it's just easier, so I can focus on things like orders and designing throughout the week. So let's take a look at my to-do list today. Today's to-do list, this top portion is what I need to do. Basically just prepping stuff for the week, and then this is just house stuff. And I kind of had a relaxing morning, but now I need to get to work. Before I get to work, I thought I'd give you kind of like an overview of what my office or the shop looks like. If you don't know, I have moved and we are under major renovation. That's why there's new flooring and why all my clothes are in this office instead of my room, because I'm still building my closet. So a lot of these boxes will end up going in there because we're going to build custom shelves. And I went to go get some shelving for right here, some cheap ones from Walmart, but I forgot that this week was the week that school went back. And so they were all sold out. But yes, this is my office, what I'm working with. My nice little chair that I love, so comfortable. And I do a lot of my work right here. Got my little mini fridge right there with my Pepsis in it. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to work. I think I'm gonna start with probably filming. I use my phone to film, so I can't really film me filming unless I can find my old camera, but it would need to be charged and everything. And there's still so many boxes in the garage that I need for in here, but I can't bring any more boxes in here until I start organizing this mess a little better. Here is my planning mess, aftermath mess. I've got 3 videos filmed, including one for TikTok. So I'm really proud of that. Now I need to edit them all. It's 5 o'clock. I have not been as productive as I have wanted to be, but I've also been struggling with sinus issues and things like that. So I'm trying not to be too rough on myself. If I don't get everything done, that's fine. I just really need to get these videos filmed, and I need to get the one for tomorrow edited and uploaded. I also did procrastinate a little bit by editing some vlogs for my other channel, A Life Melissa Style, but they're like over a month due. Like, it's, if you've been following me there, you know I'm doing a renovation, like I said also at the beginning of this video, and I'm still doing renovation vlogs from July, and here it is mid-August, so I'm a little behind on that channel too. So it's really not procrastinating if you're like catching up on work, right? So anyways, I'm going to edit those right now, and yeah. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I am working on new releases. I am designing. Yesterday I got almost everything done, but it just got late and I was really tired, so yeah. I am just working through my to-do list. I had like morning stuff to do, like for the house. I have like laundry and things like that, but it is what it is. Want to see a sneak peek? Well, I guess it's not really a sneak peek because this kit will go up when this vlog goes up. So yeah, let's check it out. So here are the full boxes. I'm just kind of doing a fall plaid look. So I think it'll end up being super cute. It is about 8:30 and I just finished designing the kit. That was kind of my goal for the day, is to get that completely done. Pictures I just need to edit and do the listings for, and then I'll be ready for Friday. And now I'm gonna go take a shower and enjoy the rest of my evening with a book. Hey guys, it is crunch time today. It is Thursday and it is the day before new releases go live, so it's always my busiest. I'm finishing up a kit that should have been finished up 2 days ago, but I have had a lot of like house stuff to do, and so this kind of stuff got put on the back burner for a little bit, and something else is exciting happening, which I'll show in the next vlog, so you're gonna have to wait. I'm sorry, not sorry, because it may not happen, so yeah. Anyways, I am just finishing up this kit, and then I'm going to do pictures, and later tonight I will do listings and have it all set up for tomorrow, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. The rest is all house stuff. So I'm been slacking on my Instagram and social media posts. I never got ahead like I like to do, and that's okay. Not every week is gonna be perfect, but yeah, maybe I'll show you next time how I like plan all that stuff. Yeah, so that's what's going on here. I will show you my kit. Okay, so here is the other kit. It's called Pumpkin Patch, and I think it's really pretty. I still am working on the glitter part. These are just templates, so placeholders. And yeah, I just think it's really, really pretty, and I love the colors.